Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and today I'm in beautiful Laguna Beach, California. On today's video, I will take a walk along the boardwalk on Laguna Beach. I will also visit a pirate's tower and show you where this amazing outdoor ocean pool can be found. To find Laguna Beach off the 5 or the 405 freeway in the city of Irvine, take Highway 133 south until you hit Pacific Coast Highway. You will have then arrived at Laguna Beach. Forest Avenue in downtown Laguna Beach is a busy street with many shops and restaurants along the way. On this street, you can also find the National Geographic Fine Art Gallery. Laguna Beach is proud of their art galleries. In fact, every first Thursday of the month from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. they have the Art Walk, where over 40 galleries participate displaying their artwork. If you ever get a chance to attend, I highly recommend you do. As I'm sure you've been able to gather by now, Laguna Beach is a walking town. It is a nice, safe town to get out and take a stroll in. And if you happen to get a sweet tooth along that walk, the place to go is Candy Baron. This place is loaded with all kinds of candy. Now that you've got a little introduction about what downtown Laguna Beach is about with its boutiques and shops and galleries, let's go over across the street and I'll show you what really makes Laguna Beach so beautiful. Its beaches. If you are enjoying this video and finding it informative, hit the thumbs up button. It will help the channel grow. Also, I post a new video every week, so please consider subscribing to the channel. Laguna Beach became a city in 1927, and today it still has a bit of that old-time charm feel to it, like this lifeguard tower. Laguna Beach has a population of over 22,000 people. One of the unique things that separates Laguna Beach's main beach from a lot of the other beaches in the area is this boardwalk. And along the boardwalk, to the left of the boardwalk, they have volleyball courts, and to the right of the boardwalk, basketball courts. So there is no shortness of activity on this beach. Also, at the start of the boardwalk and at the end, they have these restrooms. Nice, clean restrooms available as well. I'm now going to take a walk up these steps to give you a view of what Laguna Beach looks like with a little bit of an elevation. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm now going to take a walk down to the beach and show you the Marine Reserve. Laguna Beach is unique in the sense that its coastline is protected by 5.88 miles of state marine reserve and an additional 1.21 miles of state conservation area. Laguna Beach is very serious about its marine reserve. They have signs, as you can see, plainly stating, "Do not remove or disturb shells, rocks, plants, or marine life. Take nothing, leave nothing. No fishing or spear fishing allowed whatsoever." Failure to apply to these rules could result in a heavy fine. Now that you've had a chance to experience the Marine Reserve from the ground level, I'm now going to take a walk up to that hill, to that gazebo. See that gazebo at the top of the screen right there? That is where I'm heading to next, to give you an aerial shot of the Marine Reserve. Before heading over to the gazebo, let me get a quick look at what this angle gives me. Okay, not bad, but it should be a little better at the gazebo. And sure enough, much better. That's where I was at down below right there a few minutes ago. Now, a full shot overlooking all of Laguna Beach coastline. Now that we have seen the main beach and the marine reserve, let's take a look at Heisler Park. The U.S. Open for lawn bowling is held annually at the lawn bowling field at Heisler Park. A point worth mentioning at this time, as of May 23, 2017, the city was deemed a smoke-free place by Laguna Beach Council. The ordinance 1624 was imposed by the Beach Council to stop smoking in all public places in the city. So if you are a smoker, you do want to take note of that ordinance. My admiration for the city of Laguna Beach goes back to the early 80s when a friend of mine from high school moved to this city. In all of that time I've been coming here, the city has not changed much at all. One of my favorite things about this city is in the summertime they offer these free shuttle buses from Memorial Day in May until Labor Day in September. They're free to hop on, hop off, and ride along PCH Highway, getting off at each stop that you like along the way for free. Now that I'm on the shuttle bus, I'm going to be going to 4 of my favorite beaches in Laguna Beach. First stop, Woods Cove. That's 1.5 miles from the main beach in Laguna Beach. I will get off at Diamond Street and walk about 200 yards down the hill to the beach. Woods Cove is one of my favorite beaches because it has the look of a private beach, even though it's not. With the coves that are around it, it gives it more of a secluded type of atmosphere. For whatever reason, not a whole lot of people come to Woods Cove, as you can plainly see. This site is very good to catch a nice sunset on a clear day. And just 350 yards south of Woods Cove is another one of my favorite beaches, Moss Cove. This beach is very similar to Woods Cove as well, and these beaches all come with their own lifeguard. Laguna Beach has a mild Mediterranean climate with abundant sunshine all year. The average daily temperature high ranges from 68 degrees in January to 80 in August. Another one of my favorite beaches along the trek is Victoria Beach. It is only 1 mile south of Moss Cove. Unlike the 2 previous beaches, Victoria Beach does have its fair share of people that like to visit this beach. The lure of this beach is the 60-foot pirate tower that is around the corner that you will soon see. As we approach the tower now, you begin to see it far off in the distance. As I get closer, you now can see the pirate tower begin to take form. This tower was built in 1926 by California State Senator William Edward Brown. He drew his inspiration for the tower from his trips to France towards the end of World War I. While many call this the Pirate Tower, actually, in reality, all it is a spiral staircase. See right there? That's the exit area for the beach. It was actually built as a spiral staircase to give the house above access to the beach. So that pretty much sums up what the Pirate Tower is and its main purpose. As I get ready to leave Victoria Beach, I can't help but take one final look back at the Pirate Tower. The 4th and final beach I will be showing you is 2 miles south of Victoria Beach at 9th Avenue. This beach is called 1,000 Steps Beach because of its long staircase leading down to the beach. However, in reality, there's only 220 steps. As I get to the bottom, there's a sign saying cave access closed due to high tides. So, to get to the caves, turn left and continue straight on down along the ocean. Here are pictures from a previous visit to the ocean pools. I hope you'll consider visiting Laguna Beach sometime soon. As for me, it's time to hop on the shuttle and go back to the downtown area. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.